Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. We're here at University Theater here at UP Diliman campus. Attend tayo ngayon guys ng College of Engineering Recognition Day. Ito guys sa University Theater, UP Diliman, Quezon City. Guys, ito guys yung venue. Sorry. Okay guys. Ayan guys. Ayan guys, sa mga atin ng recognition day dito sa UP Diliman guys. College of Engineering. Ayan guys. Dito kami sa entrance. Papasok. Ang guys.
Si pangalan ng ginano sa Panagilan. Nung nasabi sa Panagilan asawa yung pamangkin niya asawa nila.
Dito tayo ngayon. Atin tayo ng Recognition Day ng College of Engineering here at UP Diliman guys. Yan. Graduation day recognition day ng aking bunso, civil engineer, licensed civil engineer guys, ng aking bunso guys. YouTube channel. Sorry guys, mamaya papasok na ako sa loob. May ticket yan guys, yung pagpasok sa loob dito sa University Theater, UP Diliman. Tayo nagpi-picture taking dito sa University of the Philippines Diliman College of Engineering Recognition. So guys, thanks for watching sa aking short video dito sa UP Diliman. Thanks for watching guys. See you to my next video again. God bless. Bye bye. Don't forget to subscribe HK The Actor, aking YouTube channel. Paki-like and share na lang ang aking mga video guys. Thank you. God bless. Bye bye.